Unraveling Waffle On, Speak or Fluff. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're diving deep into the English phrase, waffle on. Ever heard of it? If not, or even if you have and are unsure of its meaning, stick around as we break it down for you. Waffle on is a colloquial phrase primarily used in British English. When someone is said to waffle on, it means they are talking at length about something, often in a vague or trivial manner. It's usually when someone speaks a lot without coming to the main point, or perhaps even without having a significant point to make. Let's dissect the phrase a bit. Waffle, not the breakfast item. In this context, waffle means to speak or write at length in a vague or trivial manner. On, this just extends the action of waffling. It means to continue or go on doing something, in this case, talking. So when combined, waffle on indicates someone is continuously talking without much substance or clarity. Let's look at some examples to understand its usage better. 1. I asked him about his weekend, and he just waffled on about a TV show he watched. 2. Don't waffle on, get to the main point. 3. She has a tendency to waffle on during meetings, making them much longer than necessary. There are several other phrases and words in English that convey a similar meaning. Ramble on, go on and on, drone on, babble, rant. Remember, the context in which you use these can vary, but they often share the idea of extended and perhaps unnecessary talking. So there you have it. The next time someone tells you that you're waffling on, you'll know they're suggesting you might be talking a bit too much without getting to the point. And, of course, you now have a fun phrase to use in your conversations. Hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!